We can on here just change the colours of our chart quite simply, for example, because we can select the series, say series profit, for example, and then we can change the colour to anything we like on the palette here. So we could do it like that, or we could, once the series is selected, we could go over here, go to the colour palette. We can say that we just change the colour by using this drop down. So I'm going to use up here. I'm going to say that we're going to go with a light blue, say perhaps that, and leave that one as dark blue. Now I've decided now that the white text here on the legend probably doesn't look as good, so we'll change that to black by going to there and just changing it to, well, automatic. That would be fine. Now this particular bar has the highest sales, so I thought it would be quite nice to show that highlighted as having the highest sales. So I'm going to do that manually in this video, but in one of my next videos you'll be seeing how you can all do this dynamically. So whichever bar appears to be the highest sales, it will automatically, you can get it to automatically change colour. Right, so if you select a series, which we'll do there, the mouse, and then you click again, you'll highlight an individual column, and then it's simply a case of changing the colour of this particular column. So I'm going to make this one green, so I'm going to go with a dark green there, and then of course this now, the one underneath, I want to make a lighter green, so I'll make it like that. That's looking pretty good. Now this particular one here has the highest profit, so I'm going to highlight this one in a different colour again, just so you can see it. So that one, we're going to make that one yellow, and the one underneath, 2 clicks again there, I'll make that the lighter yellow. And as one kind of final bonus, you can of course then save this as a template by right clicking, save as a template. Going to call this chart 3 and save it. And now I can just go to the design of it, select the chart type, go on my templates, pick the one I want, okay, and then we're basically there. We just need to play around, but we've pretty much got the standard format set up and running, and just get that out of the way. And we'll be able to get to this position in far quicker time than we possibly could have otherwise.